So what to buy a four-wheel driver or camper for Christmas? Now we've got an absolute stack load of presents here to open today, and I've tried to make a lot of this gear, you know, not to be your typical four-wheel drive stuff. So no tire deflators, because let's be honest, we already have all that gear. So I've tried to make this stuff gear that you probably don't own, but should own in your four-wheel drive. Now, it can be really hard to find a present for someone who's into camping or four-wheel driving because, let's be honest, sometimes you don't know what gear they already own, or you don't want to buy them an item that might change the look or feel of their vehicle. But in this video, we've got a gift for everyone. So without further ado, let's get opening some presents. Now, our first gift is a multimeter. With everyone running a bunch of 12-volt accessories these days, having a multimeter can be invaluable. It's helped me diagnose so many problems, has always gotten me out of a heap of trouble. You would have seen me use this a bunch of different times across various different videos. They're not expensive, but they're a fantastic tool for both the workshop and the tracks. You can get them basically everywhere, and they're an absolute must-have if you've got a lot of 12-volt accessories. Now, this next gift I think is a really good one to give to a family member or a friend if they're into four-wheel driving, camping, or even hiking. Having an item that they can put in their car or their bag and that could potentially save their life in an emergency situation is a bloody good present. So this is a PLB, or Personal Locator Beacon. It's a small emergency device that can be used in a life-threatening situation to send your location to emergency services. Now, this one's from GME, and there's a few reasons why I like the GME PLB. Firstly being there's no subscription or ongoing costs. Once you've bought it, you've got it. It's got a 7-year battery life on it, so mine says it won't expire until May 2030. The unit itself is super small, lightweight, and it's easy to take with you anywhere, so whether you're hiking, fishing, whatever, you can carry this with you. And now I'll quickly show you a quick demo. Now hopefully whoever you give this to never has to use it, but in case they do, it's super straightforward. You flick open the antenna, that flicks up, you want to point it all the way to the sky, and then you simply hit that red button, and within 1 minute, it's transmitting your location to emergency services. It's also a good idea to register the unit before use with the Australian Maritime Safety Authority. It allows you to add contact information, trip info, and even photos of your vehicle. All information that can help with recovery efforts. So I think this is absolutely fantastic insurance, and I think makes a great Christmas present. So if you've got someone who's really into the outdoors and likes going out alone, I'd seriously consider looking at getting them a PLB. And the next item is a dash cam. Now, I've had a dash cam in my four-wheel drive for the good part of a year and a half, and it's awesome. The amount of things I've been able to capture thanks to a dash cam is great. I honestly feel unprotected on the road with that one. Now, mine is a Vivo A139 3-channel. 3-channel meaning it's got 3 cameras. One facing out the front, one facing out the back, and an internal camera looking inside. The inside camera too actually has infrared, so it even works at night. Now, having 3 cameras is great because it captures everything. You've probably seen me use a bit of dash cam footage in videos. In fact, I made a whole video this year that was just filmed on a dash cam. So whether you want one for safety or just recording your full drive trips or just capturing anything crazy that happens out on the road, having a dash cam is awesome, and I think they make a great gift. Now, a head torch might seem like a pretty basic present, but it's the one item I reach for every night in the bush. Whether you're camping, fixing your car on the side of the road, they're a must-have. And nowadays, most of them are USB rechargeable, so there's no more carrying annoying batteries. You can charge it in your car while you're driving, and then when you get to camp, they're ready to go. And now I've been using the OLED torches now for a good 2 years, and I highly recommend them. So if you're looking for a gift, a rechargeable head torch, as basic as it is, I think is a great one. Ooh, this next one's a big one. An off-road atlas. Now yes, everyone these days has a phone in their pocket, but I think it's always great to carry a physical map. One, in case your phone stops working, but two, they're just good for working out where you want to go next to your mates. You can all gather around the bonnet, throw the map down and point out, oh yeah, we want to go here first and here next, whatever. This map shows very good detail across the whole of Australia. They show camp spots, tracks, all that good stuff. So if you're looking for a present for someone who's got a lot but might not have a physical map, this is a great one. Oh, this next one's a good one. So having a good phone mount is really important, especially if you plan on doing some tough tracks. Having something that's not gonna fall off your dash or have your phone come off is great. So us boys have been using these quad lock phone holders now for the past year, and I have to say, these are the best ones you can buy. Like, if you want something that your phone can actually hold on to, these are awesome. It's also got a wireless charging head on it, so it'll wirelessly charge your phone while it's on the mount. They're super quick and easy to put on and off. I can't fault them really. They're genuinely a really good phone holder. A telescopic fishing rod, and I know this might not be exactly four-wheel drive related, but even if you're not much of a fisherman, having one of these you can use when you're camping with your mates on a river is an awesome thing. Fishing is a really good camping pastime. You know, I never was much of a fisherman, but now I always bring the rods, and Anya and I have an absolute blast fishing in any stream we can find. The reason I'm recommending a telescopic one is because they take up next to no room in the car, and they're super easy to quickly set up. And then you got yourself a quick fishing rod. You can go in, cast, catch some trout, do whatever. Yeah, great camping pastime, great little gift. I think if you've got a mate who's not so much into fishing, but they love camping, buy them a cheap telescopic rod, and I reckon they'll get out there and have a blast. So yeah, great little present. A jet torch. Now, this might not seem like the most amazing of gifts, but it's probably the most popular item I carry in my car. Every can trip, someone asks for it. Now, if you've got a butane cooker, you probably know what it's like when your butane cans run low. You end up having to swap them out for a new canister, even though there's a fair bit of butane still left in the can. So instead of, you know, throwing them out, I like to continue using them. So what I do is actually use them for the gas torch. So you can just stick this gas torch onto any butane can, and then you got yourself a jet torch. Now, this is great for starting fires, it's great for any bush mechanic work. Hell, me and Liam have even used this up in the shed to heat up steel to, you know, get components to expand. It's a great little tool, and it saves wasting half-empty butane cans. All right, we're going in for a double dip here, people. So these are two little cooking gifts, which I think are an awesome gift for a camper. Your traditional tin billy. If you're a camper, you need a billy. They're probably the most iconic piece of camping equipment in Australia. They're the best, most versatile piece of cooking equipment I own. I wouldn't go anywhere without this. But what's in here could also be called the most versatile, best piece of cooking equipment I own. Let me show you what it is. Yep, I think you know what this is. This is the hot plate. Liam and I absolutely live off these things. I think when we did our big desert trip, every single meal was prepared, cooked, or made on a hot plate. They're easy to clean, they make good food, they pack away really nicely, and plus you get to cook on the fire, and who doesn't love that? So if you're still struggling and not sure what to get them, these next couple gifts are gonna be the perfect ones for you. Now this first one, I think could be my favorite one. Clear top camping bags. Now, these are a great gift for anyone who carries a lot of gear when they're away, whether that's spare parts or camping supplies. These clear top bags are really great for organizing and finding all your gear. They're a great stocking filler, and I think make a great Christmas gift. Speaking of stocking fillers, these are some awesome stocking fillers. This is a snake bite kit, and especially coming into summer, it's a really good idea to have one of these in the car. I've seen a heap of snakes already this summer season, so this is a great gift to have in the car. You never know, it might save one of your mate's life. It's pretty small, but it has everything you need to treat a snake bite. I think they're a great bit of kit, and similarly, this is the first aid kit, another great one just to throw in the car. These two items are super small, they don't take up much drawer space, but these are great stocking fillers and potentially could even save a life. So this is a bow saw by Fisker. Now I've had this one for over 4 years, I think now. Again, very popular item, always getting borrowed. See, a lot of people carry an axe, but not everyone carries a saw, and they are really handy. I've cut some big stuff with this. It's lightweight, it's easy to pack. It's just a great tool to have in the bush. And this leads me on to my last gift, a gift that I don't actually have yet, but it's on my Christmas wish list, and that is an electric chainsaw. We all carry electrical gear, and I think chainsaws are the next evolution. And I'm not talking about using these for cutting, you know, like a ton of wood, more for just dicing up stuff when we're camping. Electric chainsaws are way quieter, they don't require fuel, there's less stuff to carry, and they're actually relatively cheap. I'd love one of them, so I think that's going to be on my Christmas list. So I hope this helps some of you find presents for your friends and families. If your relatives don't know what to get you, said in this video, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. We've got one more video coming out before the end of the year, so get subscribed and we'll see ya in the next one.